Of course, the thing that strikes the eye most is the daddy of all Cupras. You guys have seen a lot of these on our channel. All right, here we go. Let's see if we have a little bit of space. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got another viewer's car. This is Lucas, his Seat Leon Cupra R ST. And it is very, very cool. So today I'm going to show you around it. We're going to do a quick reminder of what the Cupra R is and all the stuff that has changed compared to the regular Cupra. And then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video. And check us out on Instagram if you like, at AutoTopNL. So let's do a quick lap around the car so I can show you what you get when you get an R. Of course, the thing that strikes the eye most is that you get all the copper details around the car. So you get the copper logo in the grille, you get these inlays in the front bumper as well, on the wheels, and at the rear some more. We've got a black grille surround, a Cupra badge right there, and you get this very pronounced carbon fiber front splitter, which looks really, really good. That is good quality carbon fiber. That's very nice. And of course the wheels, which are again with that copper detail and a little Cupra logo in there as well. This car has Continental Sport Contact 6 tires, but I believe that as standard they are delivered on Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. These are 19-inch, very, very nice. And behind that we get the upgraded Brembo brakes as well for the Cupra R. Black mirror caps, and this is the Instagram account of the owner at Cupra RST_ on Instagram. Check him out if you like. And this is his company, Lux Detailing, so he details cars. At the rear we've got a quad exhaust tailpipe with a carbon fiber diffuser. Very nice. Again, that copper Cupra badge, Cupra R, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler as well, again in that beautiful carbon fiber weave. And well, I have to say I really like the way this car looks. It's very aggressive. It's just a shame that on the Cupra R hatchback you get that wide body, which you don't get on the ST, which is a shame, I think, because that hatchback looks super awesome. So right here we've got the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine EA888. You guys have seen a lot of these on our channel. This one has 300 horsepower, which is 10 less than you get in the hatchback manual. But you do get 4-wheel drive in the ST, so this is the fastest accelerating one. Sub 5 seconds, I think it's 4.9 seconds. And let's check out the interior as well, because we have some more copper accents in here. As you can see, this little accent around the gear lever and on the dash as well, around the vents. Very nice. And we've got this carbon fiber leather accent in the doors as well. Copper right there. I do think that copper thing, that theme, is really cool, because it's really easy to spot the difference. And I think that it's very important if you have like the daddy of all Cupras, that you can see that it is the daddy. We even have a copper colored stitching in the steering wheel as well. Super nice. All right, so do I have anything else to show you guys? I don't think so. We've got Alcantara on the interior as well. So on the gear lever, on the seats, these beautiful bucket seats. All right, let's see. We'll go for Cupra mode, of course. Gearbox in sport, and traction control in sport as well. Here we go. Now, the thing that you notice most when you drive a Cupra R, every time I drive it, I have this feeling that this is what they can do at VW. This car has been set up so different than all the others. I mean, the drivetrain and everything, it is really familiar, and we've driven endless cars with different variations of the same thing. But the Cupra R feels really different from all those other ones, and that's mainly because they've worked hard to make this feel sharper and dynamically more able. So we have different suspension uprights, which means that the camber has increased, the negative camber at the front, so the wheels are a bit more tilted, 2 degrees to be precise, and that means that you have a much more aggressive front end. We also have adaptive dampers, so you can switch between comfort and sporty stuff. And of course the 7-speed DSG and the 4-wheel drive, and all that means that you have a really fast car that feels, well, I don't want to say as aggressive as the hatchback, because I think that one feels a little bit lighter, and of course the hatchback comes with a manual as standard, whereas this with the automatic. Sound, yeah, very recognizable EA888. It's not super loud, but you do get a little bit of a bang sometimes, a little bit of a rumble. Let's demonstrate launch control, traction in sport, automatic in sport as well, Cupra mode, full throttle. There we go. No drama, no wheel spin, and that's 4.9 seconds to 100. And we've even been able to measure 4.9 seconds in the wet, so it really delivers. So here we are at the Autobahn. We're going to engage the speedo cam for you guys and wait for that truck to pass, apparently. All right, here we go. Let's see if we have a little bit of space. Top speed is limited to 250 kilometers an hour, of course. And we are in Cupra mode, so that means that everything is at its most aggressive setting. But I have to say that the damper is still, this is still very doable actually. It's not too harsh. That's 246 already. Brakes work really well. And the cool thing is, the Cupra R really feels like a separate product from all the Volkswagen Group products. As I said, you have the same recipe, but it's nice to see that Cupra still has a bit of their soul and still has the freedom to do something else than all the other ones. And that really shines through, because this car feels so different. It feels much sharper and aggressive than the other ones. That's 250 on the speedo. Now Lucas told me that he does plan to tune this car. It is bone stock right now, but he does have some plans to tune it. He wants to go to a stage 2 and then later on to a stage 3 with a different fuel pump and turbo and everything. So yeah, I want to invite him to come back when he does, because I really like the Cupra Rs. It's fun to drive every time because it feels so different from all the other ones, even though it is a Volkswagen product. So it's one of the few cars that really has that difference. We do have a stage 1 tuned Cupra R ST coming soon with 385 horsepower, so also stay tuned for those videos. That would be nice if we can like build it up to Lucas his stage 3, I don't know, in a couple of months, or I don't know when he will be able to do that. It can use a different exhaust though, because this it's really not much. It does have a lot of grip though, so I guess the tuning potential is really good with this one. more so than with the hatchback. Little understeer. Anyway, that's it for this review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. See you at the next one. Bye.